Number 1. Smith machine squats. Target muscle quadriceps, hamstring, gluteus, clevis and lower back. Any exercise you do on a Smith machine with the control speed and correct form to perform squats, stand straight in the middle of the Smith machine with your feet shoulder width apart. Place the barbell of the machine on your shoulder, then keeping your back straight and the chest upward. Bend your knees and lower your shape until your thighs are parallel to the ground. With the same speed, come upward to the starting position and squeeze the quads muscle. To maintain a proper form, start with the lighter weight and do 4 sets and 10 to 15 repetitions. Number 2. Leg extension. Target muscle quadriceps. It is the easiest and most effective exercise. So first of all, adjust the seat of the machine according to your height and sit with the support of the back. Place your leg under the pad of the machine and selecting a light weight, lift your leg upward until they are become completely straight. Then after holding for a 1 to 2 seconds, control the speed and bring in your leg to the starting position. In this, whenever you bring in your leg upward, squeeze the quads muscle and do 4 sets and 15 to 20 repetitions. Number 3. Leg press. Muscle work quadriceps, hamstring, gluteus and clevis. In this you can lift heavy weight without any support. So first of all, sit on the machine with your back against the backrest. Place your feet shoulder width apart on the platform of the machine. Extending your knees and press the platform of the machine upward and then hold it for 1 to 2 seconds. Then slowly bringing it downward and press upward again. Select a heavy weight and do 3 sets and 12 to 15 repetitions. Number 4. Leg curl. Target muscle hamstring. In many gyms, the same machine is available for leg extension and leg curl. So first of all, set the machine in leg curl position and lean down on the machine with the support of the chest. Straight your leg and select a light weight. Place it under the pad of the machine. Bend your knees and curl your leg toward your hips. Hold it for 1 to 2 seconds. Squeeze the hamstring muscle. Then slowly bring in your leg to the starting position and stretch the hamstring muscle. Do 4 sets of this and 15 to 20 repetitions in each set. Number 5. Dumbbell stiff leg deadlift. Target muscle hamstring, gluteus, lower back. Stand straight with your feet shoulder width apart and holding a dumbbell with both hands in front of your thigh. Keep your back straight, hanging at your hips and keep your legs straight. Slowly lower the dumbbell toward the ground and hold it for 1 second. Stretch the hamstring and gluteus muscle. Then return the upward to the starting position by squeezing the hamstring and gluteus muscle together. You can also do it with the barbell. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Number 6. Seated calf raises. Target muscle clevis. Select the weight according to your strength and sit on the machine with your feet flat on the platform of the machine and your knees bent at an angle of 90 degrees. While squeezing your calf muscle, lift the pad of the machine as high as possible with your toes. Then hold it for 1 to 2 seconds. Then slowly bring it back down. If you want, you can do this exercise while standing and do 3 sets of it and as many repetitions as possible.